what's going on that I absolutely was compelled that I have to do a part 2 on the ex-president over in the Philippines that we said got arrested, but now it almost looks like a kidnapping. And I'm going to tell you right now to my friends out in the Philippines, I will take responsibility for my own shit of the first post that I put out, because the only rhetoric that we hear in our newspapers and our news channels and that this guy was a monster and he unalived and took the lives of so many people and everybody over there hated him. But by the comments that are flowing in, it looks like this guy was a hero. It looks like this guy, I think his name is Duterte, excuse me if I'm botching up his name, but President Duterte looked like that he was a local hero, that the people that in the Philippines were praising him as, oh my God, thank you so much for saving my family, my children from all these drug dealers and these drug addicts that were compromising women and children, all through the days and all through the nights to do anything for drugs. And when he was president, no drugs were anywhere. And when he was president, none of this was happening, and it was safe around the Philippines. But now that he's been gone, I'm reading the comments saying that drugs are everywhere, children are getting taken, women are being compromised. Praise Duterte, praise the president. He is a hero here, and we've got to do everything we can to bring him back. And I'm going to tell you right now that if he was truly arrested for crimes against humanity, then he will have to see his day in court.
I've got the rest of you, now I want the best of you. I don't care if that's not fair, say, 'cause I want it all. I've got the rest of you, now I want the best of you. I don't care if that's not fair, say, 'cause I want it all.
Concern is human rights. Mine is human life. OFW. Yan ang pinakamasarap. Nakikinig ako. OFW. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
But if the rhetoric and the bullshit is coming out and the lies, and he really wasn't arrested and that he was kidnapped, then Mr. President Donald Trump, I'm asking you to get involved and find out where the ex-president of the Philippines has been taken to.